On Thursday, some very strong producer price index numbers threw a cold shower on the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Not only were the most recent figures higher, but they were also revised upward. This indicates that the inflation situation is not at all encouraging, but markets should not forget that U.S. Fed Chair Jerome Powell warned that the actual impact of the Fed's actions could be seen to be delayed. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, will rise above $23,880 once more to continue its rally for the week. On Thursday, the price action contained the losses that the Bitcoin, BTC, price suffered. Given that the strength of the US dollar was what pushed US equities to the downside, the risk of a larger fade to the downside was anticipated. Bulls must anticipate higher PPI numbers because the Federal Reserve warned of this possibility. BTC needs bulls to refocus on the fact that the Fed has already hiked a lot and is getting closer to its endpoint, as evidenced by the smaller increases. Market conditions will begin to improve as a result of this, with inflation returning to a more manageable level. When Bitcoin aficionados become aware of this, anticipate a BTC breakout above $23,878 and an attempt to reach $26,000 over the weekend as tail risk subsides. The possibility of rejection on the top side and a dead cat bounce on the horizon constitute risk at the moment. In the event that takes place, anticipate additional losses, with $21,969 serving as support. If that does not work, the monthly pivot just below that point could serve as a cushion for this correction's soft landing. The Ethereum price, ETH, experienced only a slight decline of 2% on Sunday as bulls were unable to maintain price action above $1,688 in light of the US PPI numbers. The price is still focused on $1,800. After the numbers are out of the way, a number of economists are saying that the US economy is at a crossroads because confidence numbers are starting to point to very negative, contractionary results. This indicates that the Fed's measures will begin to take effect gradually. ETH will quickly emerge from its ashes and re-pierce $1,688 in the direction of where it was trading on Thursday. Expect bulls to buy a wide range of risk assets heading into the weekend, with cryptocurrency and stocks taking the lead close to the US closing bell on Friday evening. The bulls should be able to push ETH prices up to $1,928 over the weekend. The most significant danger lies in the US session, which could trigger yet another market selling phase. Expect ETH to fall toward $1,500 as the bulls move on. Fortunately, the monthly pivot and the 55-day simple moving average, SMA, coincide, providing ample support. The price of XRP is expected to reach 48 cents by the end of February, with a 25% gain still available. On Thursday, the US PPI numbers and the strengthening US dollar contributed to a significant drop of over 4% in the price of XRP. As soon as the Ripple price touched the 55-day SMA near 38 cents, bulls stopped the correction, indicating that price action is well supported. The monthly pivot, which was just a few cents lower, served as protection in the event that the 55-day SMA failed to hold. As asset classes' risk appetites diverge, bulls are now entering XRP. Cryptocurrencies are tying up with green opening numbers despite the sell-off in European stocks and the prediction of red opening numbers in US futures. This demonstrates the bullish sentiment toward XRP, which will see 42 cents break higher over the weekend. Traders will instead focus on data on US GDP and European inflation, so today's risk elements appear to be minimal. Markets would have been misled if the new data this week provided further evidence that inflation is persistent or even rising. If this is the case, the rally will likely be priced out once more, resulting in XRP falling below 37 cents and potentially falling 7 cents to 30 cents.